Hello all. In this video we are going to discuss about second chance or clock page replacement algorithms. So here in this case, this is an example reference string we are going to use. Here in this case we have to use some additional bits called reference bits. For each page we will be going to use an additional bit called reference bit. So reference bit it may be 0 or 1. So for each page we will be going to insert one additional reference bit. Okay, so while explaining the example you will get to know how this second chance clock page replacement algorithm is going to work. So here in this example also we are going to consider that in our memory there are 3 frames. Okay, frame 1, frame 2 and frame 3. So 3 frames in our memory, and currently our memory is empty. Okay, so first page it is going to insert into your memory is page 2. Okay, so page 2 is currently not in the memory because currently your memory is now empty. So page 2 is not in the memory, that means a page fault has occurred. So I am marking a page fault by using a tick mark. Okay, so page 2 is going to insert. Okay, so here in this case I told in the second chance we are going to add a reference bit for each page. Okay, so initially for all the page reference string or reference bit will be 0. Okay, so its reference bit I am marking as 0 here. Okay, next it is coming as page 3. So page 3 again it is not there in the memory, right? So again a page fault is occurring, and 3 is going to add in the memory, right? 3 is going to add in the memory, and for 3 also reference bit is 0. Okay, next it is going to add is what? 2, right? Here in this case, see, you can see that page 2 is already there in the memory, correct? That time there is no need of any page replacement, right? So there is no need of any page replacement. Okay, so no page replacement and no need of this algorithm. But here in this case, second chance, this reference bit will be going to change. Okay, which page reference string will be going to change is, see, second page is again it is repeating. So whichever the page is going to repeat, that particular page reference bit will be going to set to 1. Okay, so currently second page 2 is repeating, so page 2 reference bit is going to set to 0 to 1. Okay, so now it will be 2 and 3 remains the same, and it is no page fault. So I am marking with a hit. No page fault means I already discussed it is a hit, that I am marking as cross. Okay, next it is coming as what? 1, right? 1. So 1 is coming in that time. You can see that 1 is not there in your memory, right? Currently we are having only page 2 and 3, right? Page 2 and 3, and 1 is not there in the memory, and in the memory third frame is empty. So we are adding page 2, 3 and 1, and its reference bit also like this. Okay, next it is adding is page 5. Okay, so page 5 it is adding. So here in this case page 5 is not there in the memory, right? Page 5 is not there in the memory, so there is a page fault, correct? Previously also there is a page fault, now also there is a page fault I am marking. And this 5, see, currently your memory all the 3 frames are filled. Here we need, in this equation we need a page replacement algorithm, right? So here we are using second chance algorithm. Okay, so here second chance or clock page replacement algorithm, you can say it is a variant of first in first out page replacement algorithm. Okay, so first in first out algorithm, what we discussed, whichever the page that has entered first or older page we can replace with a new one, right? So here in this case you can see that here in currently in our memory you are having 2, 3 and 1. Here comparing with this previous stages, you can see that 2, 3, 1 compared to 2, 3, 1, 2 was the older page, right? 2 page 2 only entered first, right? So according to this FIFO, page 2 has to replace with a new page, right? But here in this algorithm we are going to give a second chance for this page 2. Why? Because when that particular page is having the bit or reference bit 1 means you can't replace that particular page. Okay, so here in this case, and actually the victim page, that is victim page is nothing but which page is supposed to replace is page 2, because that page 2 only entered first. But here in this case you have to see the check the reference bit also before replacing that particular page. If the reference bit of that particular page is 1 means you can't replace that particular page. Next you have to see other two pages. Among these 3 and 1, 3 only entered first. So we are going to replace 3 and its reference bit is 0. So you can replace 3 with the new page. Okay, so I am going to replace 3 with new page and its reference bit remains same 0, 0. Right, next it is coming as so till here we entered. Next it is coming as 2 page 2. Here you can see that page 2 is already there in your memory, right? Already there in your memory. And in the before this previous case, see here page 2 has got a second chance, right? Because in this case page 2 was supposed to replace and it got a second chance and 3 only replaced with 5. So in that case page this 2's reference bit, it will be going to, you have to reset back to 0. Okay, that is a main point you should not forget. That is this, in this case victim page was actually 2, correct, but it got a second chance because its bit was 1, right? So it got a second chance and 3 got replaced. So in that situation this reference bit of 2 will be going to reset back to 0. Okay, so currently page 0's reference bit is 0. Okay, next again page 2 is entering. So page 2 is you can see that again already page 2 is there in your memory. So your reference bit of page 2 will be going to again setting to 1, right? 1 and 5 for 5 and 1 it is 0 and there is no page replacement, or there is a hit, there is no page fault, right? So I marked as cross. Next what is entering? 4 is entering. So here in this case 4 is entering. So 4 you can see that 4 is not there in the memory, right? 4 is not there in the memory. Currently your memory is full and 4 is not there in the memory. That is 251 is currently in your memory and 4 you have to enter. See, 4 is not there in the memory. So there is a page fault. And now which one to replace you have to see. So here according to FIFO, actually according to FIFO, first in first out 2 has to replace, right? 2 is the victim page because 2 among 251 2 only entered first. But once it is checking which page has entered first, next step is you have to check what is the reference bit of that particular page. Here this is the victim page we got, but its reference bit is 1. That means you should not replace that particular page with the reference bit 1. Now you have to see the other two pages, that is 5, 1, 1. So among 5 and 1 is the oldest page, 1 entered here, right? So 1 we are going to replace, and here again we are writing 2. See, again 2 got a second chance, correct, because 2 was supposed to replace but 2 got a second chance. So its reference bit is again going to reset to 0 and again 5 and 1 is going to replace with 4 and its reference bit is 0. Okay, next, so till now we have completed here. Next it is coming as 5. Next coming as 5. So 5 we are comparing it here. 5 is, again you can see that 5 is there in your memory, right? 5 is there in your memory, so there is no page fault. There is no page fault, and your reference bit of 5 will be setting to 1 because it is already there in the memory, means that particular page will be going to set to 1, and 4 remains the same, right? And no page fault. Next is so till here, next is page 3. So page 3 is, you can see that page 3 is not in the memory, so there is a page fault, and you have to see which page has to replace. So first in, first out, first you have to see which is first entered. See, among 2, 5, 4, 2 only entered first, right? Here you can see that 2 only was the oldest page, and you have to next see the reference bit. Now page 2's reference bit is 0, so you can replace this 2 with new page 3, okay, because 2 was the oldest page. Here we are using the FIFO concept. Then we will have to check the reference bit. So we are going, and reference bit is 0 means you can replace it. So 2 we are replacing with page 3, and its reference bit is 0, and 5th page reference bit remains the same, and 4 next here also 0. Okay, next it is coming as 3 entered. Next it is 5, 3 entered. Next it is 2, right? From the reference string 2 is entering. So 2, again you can see that 2 is not there in your memory, so there is again a page fault. There is again a page fault, and which one to replace among 3, 5, 4, which is the oldest page, or which entered first? You have to see among 3, 5 and 4. Which one entered first among 3, 5 and 4? You can see that 5 entered first, right? 5 has started from here. See, 5, 5, 5. Then 4, after 5 only 4 entered, right? So 5 is the oldest page, right? But next, second stage, so 5 is actually the victim page. Second step is you have to see the reference bit. Reference bit of 5 pages 1. That means that particular page you can't replace. Okay, so you have to write 5 because you should not replace it, and 5 is getting a second chance, so its bit is resetting to 0. Okay, next you have to check other 2 pages, that is 3 and 4. So among 3 and 4, 3 entered just now, and 4 is the oldest page. So we are going to replace 4 with 2 because 4 is the oldest page. 3 entered now only, right? So we are replacing 4 with 2, and its reference bit is 0 and 3, 0, right? Now next is it is entering us 5th page, page 5. Okay, so page 5, again we are checking in the memory. Page 5 is already there in the memory, so there is no page fault. Okay, so reference bit of 5 will be going to set to 1, and remaining thing remains the same. Reference bit of 5 will be going to reset to 1 because 5 is already there in the memory. Next, last one is again 2 is coming. We can see that 2 is also there in the memory, and so there is no page fault, and again we are going to set 2's reference bit to 1 here also and here also. So this actually second chance they are not able to use it. Okay, now we can count the number of page faults. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the number of page faults. So compared to other page replacement algorithm, the second chance or clock page replacement algorithm is going to give less number of page faults. Okay, hope you understood. Take a sheet of paper and parallelly solve it. Okay, thank you.